Hello, it is NTK555, and today we're not going to make a video on Exotic GTA. Instead, we're going to be making a video on my friend Puppet's Realm. Or World, actually, not Realm, this is a multiplayer game. It'll take a little bit for the packs to be able to be downloadable when I'll join up. This is an SCP facility world that Puppet enjoys hosting, and he said that I can make a video on it, so I decided that why not make a video on this. Also, this video will technically be released Sunday and not Saturday, as I'm recording it about midnight. Right, but other than that, we should be pretty good. Oh, I forgot to do that. What an idiot. Let me adjust that real quick. That's better. I plan on making a lot more videos on different things. Also, so less of my videos are going to be tutorials and more of them are just going to be me playing stuff. Just because, random tutorials are weird. Either way, if you enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. But if you do not enjoy this video, give it a thumbs down, and then just leave. It's not anything pressuring to anyone. It's like if you enjoyed it, you enjoyed it. If you didn't, you didn't. Sounds good? Sounds good. This is going to be the video for Saturday. Later today, I'll be releasing the second video of this weekend. And actually recording it. Other than that, we're going to wait for resources to load. And we are in. If you can't tell, we've played this before. And many of our weapons have been gone. Let's have fun. What the heck? Anyway. This is basically... Oh man, someone shot me. What losers! What? I thought I was the only one supposed to Oko people. Wait, is this guy a friend? Oh. Oh. What? And we're rolling. Gonna punch everyone in the face. I don't understand this. Ugh. Gotta reload. I am burning. Oh, that's... This gun doesn't one hit. Bro, what is this? Alright, I think that looks much better. Oh wait, it's in the dark. Oh, I ran out of my RPG ammunition. Gosh. They were buffed. I don't appreciate them getting buffed. That's better. I put my sword next to my gun. What was that? What is hitting me? Trying to get the video not to be like this. I don't know. This is a very... crap. That's better. Oh my gosh, I hate this. This is painful. This looks so bad. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go now for the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, that's fine. Hope you enjoyed watching me murder innocent people.